All righty, folks. Big changes coming for Cody Davis and his portfolio. He has decided to take property management in-house. He is no longer going to be paying property managers to manage his stuff. We're going to talk about why he has made that decision. We're going to talk about the platform that he is choosing to leverage. He's moving 97 additional units to Himlane for a total of 120 units under Himlane management. Cody, big news, man. You're bringing this in-house. I'm guessing thousands of dollars are going to come back your way here very shortly.
Hundreds of thousands per year. It's quite exciting. Yeah, I'm very interested to see how the accounts start to grow when I'm intentionally overseeing the portfolio. I've been half in, half out for the past couple of years since I got out of property management. And I will say that beyond the PM fees, the way it's been run has been costing me money.
Yeah, one of the things that's interesting about property management is I really do think there's kind of two layers of costs, and most people only see one. The first cost, obviously, is there's a monthly fee, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whatever the percentage is. Might even be a leased up fee, like we'll take half month's rent or whatever, right? There's all those kind of known costs. Mm-hmm. But I don't think people really appreciate the unknown costs, right? The service calls that maybe don't need to be made, or the repairs that, maybe don't need to be made. Because again, it's not their money, right? Property management is hard. It's probably the most thankless job, but most PMs, are not rewarded for making the landlord money. They're just, bleeding along. So definitely understand that. But what are your thoughts?
Well, to the first point, it does cost a lot. I pay 9%, no other fees. So 9%, the portfolio brings in well north of 7 figures a year. You can do the math. It adds up. That's a lot of money.
That's 6 figures. That's 6 figures.
It is. And on top of that, they will not necessarily look for the cheapest or the best value. I shouldn't say cheapest. Cheapest is a terrible word. The best value service. So they'll call out the septic company that charges $800, where I will get the same exact tank volume, 2,000 gallons, one tank, and I'll get it done for $425. Right. And I just had that happen. And someone's going to say, well, it's only $400.
Yeah, you do that 7 times a month. Yeah, it's just crazy.
Well, yeah, it's like, then you give me $400. If you should never say just in front of any amount of money. Like it's ridiculous. So stuff like that adds up. I've got maybe 15 septic tanks in my portfolio, which is pretty ridiculous. I got one property with 8 tanks.
Oh, wow.
My 39 unit is on septic, which crazy, but that's beside the point. There's other things where they're like, we need to call a plumber. And I'm like, did you plunge the sink? Because they're like, we need to snake it. I go over there and I plunge it. And within 20 seconds, there's no issues, because plungers work just as good on sinks as they do on toilets.
Right.
It's remarkable that all plumbing works pretty similarly. So they'll try and blow $300 here. And that's the hidden cost. It's not the 9%. I mean, that's still a lot of money on my portfolio, on anyone's portfolio.
Yeah.
But blowing money on,
Let me see what you think of this. Because again, I've owned property and I've only had property managers. And I say this knowingly that I'm getting screwed, at least at some level. So again, you're paying 9% a month. Let's just call that 10 grand a month, right? Mm-hmm. That's the known fees.
Sure.
It would not be unreasonable for another 5 to 8K to bleed out every month in things like this. Would you think that's fair?
I think that's absolutely fair on my portfolio, especially. I did the math. I think bringing the management in-house, even after Hemlane's fees, $18 a month, I believe, or $14. I think it's 18 per unit. And that comes with the 24/7 calls. I'm going to be spending $2,000 a month on software, but.
Well, don't forget to use the ORAT name. You get 20% off the first year. So don't forget to drop that.
I did forget that. Okay. Well, that's great. Good to know.
Yeah.
But I have my onboarding call officially with them tomorrow for everything moving over. So that's good.
Right. Go make sure you get your 20% off.
Yeah, that's a deal. But I'm going to be saving like $21,000 a month between getting those fees that I'm paying PM back, even after paying for software, and filling up the vacancies and overseeing the expenses.
Exactly. The other side is revenue. Right. Again, property managers aren't really, especially in your situation, the 9%, there's no lease up fee for them. So they're not motivated to be extra aggressive and hustle and do all of that. So again, it's 15 going out on expenses, probably 2 or 3K coming in on revenue. This is adding up. This would be $200,000
Yeah, and since Ashley, my wife and I own the portfolio basically just ourselves, like the
Mhm.
majority of our stuff is us. That's all to the bottom line.
Exactly.
It's a lot of money, and it's going
And
to
remind me
dramatically
how much you live on? Remind me how much you live on a month? Like 4 grand?
$4,000 a month.
So you're going to be saving roughly $200,000 a year, and you live on 4 grand a month. That's like 50 years or whatever the math is. No, yeah, whatever. It's a lot. It's
It,
40 months, I guess. Yeah. Crazy.
it'll be beneficial for sure to do this, and it's a little bit more work, but it's going to be very rewarding. And every dollar we invest today is going to be hundreds of
Oh,
dollars.
hundreds. Yes. In your
Yeah,
time frame. Yes. Yeah. So let's
yeah,
talk about the work side. Cause again, obviously this means that you and your wife are going to be picking up some additional phone calls, probably taking over, lease ups, probably more of that activity. So you'll be committing more hours. What is your guesstimate on number of hours Cody will be adding to, over the next month or so? Are you going to add another 20 hours? What do you think it is?
10 to 20. And here's the kicker. I already coordinated 90% of all of my maintenance while PM was managing my portfolio
Oh, wow. You did that
because
because why?
they could not control the cost. I was getting
Uh,
billed hundreds of dollars for things that cost 10. They
got it.
wanted to bill me $100 to swap a burner plate on my stove, and I
Wow.
already had burners there. Take it out and push one in. $100? Are you kidding me? I'll
Wow.
drive over there, blow $10 on gas, and it'll still be a better ROI.
Right. Very cool. Well, one of the things I think you're going to be able to consider, maybe it's not in the beginning, but you might be able to add a handyman or an employee to even, take on some activity. So it's not all yourself. Have you thought about that?
Yeah, and I was just using that to illustrate a point. I have handymen that I already work with, so I
Right.
coordinate all my stuff. I've got someone for the Ephrata and Soap Lake portfolio, which is 40 minutes from where I live.
Got it.
I've got I've got two people now, a third that I can message, and if one of them's out of town, the other two are there
Got
for
it.
Moses Lake. So, yeah, I don't want to be swinging a hammer. I don't want to be doing the plumbing, but that just takes time.
Yeah. What are you going to do? Are you, Cody, going to be focused on lease up and vacancy filling, or what are you going to focus on?
In the beginning, yeah, because every unit I fill is in my market is 9 to up to 15 grand a year, excluding the townhomes. Townhomes bring in more of income.
Yeah.
And so my job is just going to be, hey, I need to get to 95% occupancy. And if I can do that, then I'm going to focus on optimizing. Where can I add bedrooms? Where can I break off units? I'm looking at turning my other 12 unit into a 13. I did that in Quincy. Now I want to do it in Moses. And I'm just looking at where can I optimize the income once I'm at 95% occupancy, because management, had I not done my lease ups, has been running me at 80% occupancy,
Oh,
which is
not good.
for those who don't know, that sounds good having 80 paying tenants, but that is terrible.
Yeah.
From
The
a profit
profit, the
perspective.
profit. Yeah. You're basically break even
Yeah.
at
Yeah.
80%. You don't start making money until you get to 85, 90%. Yeah.
Correct. And some of my deals do, but all the new ones don't. Like new
No.
they
No.
definitely don't. So that's been a pain point for me. And now I've got my portfolio closer to 90% because I've stepped in. So I got
Nice.
another 5 units to fill, but I have pending move-ins. I just leased my most expensive unit, $2,850 a month.
Hmm.
And so, that's a win.
Yeah.
But
Very
But yeah,
cool.
it's brutal.
Well, you're moving 97 units to Him Lane. Sounds like you already have 20 or 23 over there. What are the features of Him Lane that you enjoy? Is it the repairs? Is it the advertising? What are some of the things that you like about Him Lane?
It is the exact opposite of what I had to deal with PM. When I would work with property manager, they had Appfolio. And Appfolio, at the end of the year, I'd get my report. And I could pull reports during the year. But then I'd have to reconcile that report with my bank account. And so I
Right.
basically have to build 2 P&Ls and then combine them. With Hemlane, it syncs to my bank account. And so what I really like is I can just go in one by one and say, this was for this property, this was for that property. And you can break it into portfolios. So I have the Cody Ashley portfolio.
Mhm.
I have the Brian Cody portfolio. And so I can sync it up. I think I have 10 different bank accounts in the Hemlane app that are all associated with the property. And so I just go one by one. It's like a built-in QuickBooks, and it builds my P&L reconciled to the bank account. So I don't have to do it twice. I love that.
Yeah, it's funny you bring that up. Jason Pritchard just this weekend did a call with my community, and he's moving his portfolio from Appfolio to Hemlane. not only for that, but also it sounded like the cost got more and more expensive with Appfolio. That's why you moved to Hemlane.
Well, and another reason I like Hemlane, granted, I don't have this issue, but Appfolio has a minimum of 50 units. Not everybody in your community cares to go there.
Yeah. And again, Hemlane has gone on to offer lots of even free services. You just want to advertise, free. You want to do this, you want to be free. Folks, if you're even considering out-of-state investing, Mark did a call with our school community in Hemlane. Again, I talk about Hemlane because I've been working with Dana since before the product was built. I was one of her guinea pigs to talk about being a landlord. And she offers you guys a discount. You just reach out to hemlane.com, tell me you came from ORAT, and you get 20% off your first year. So real savings. So
take it a step further. I learned something on my last call because they meet with me every Tuesday. And nice. So, getting set up, and I have an account manager, and that might just come from the size. I don't know, but I've also never onboarded with them like this. So they have tenant perks where tenant can pay rent and build their credit.
Yeah.
Which is awesome. I was never offered that when I was a tenant.
Yeah, they're doing more and more things, Hemlane. I like what she's doing there. She also has a resource tab for new investors. If you want to know about your area, the country, your city, what's going on from rules and regulations, they have plenty of, attorneys or somebody farming for what's going on in your city. So check out their resources tab. But yeah, it's I think it's going to be fun to watch because here's my decade prediction for Cody. You're going to take it in-house. You're going to run it well. You're going to learn where the edges are, right? Because it certainly won't be smooth day one, but it will get there. You're probably going to grow your portfolio, just knowing who you are over the next decade. And then in a decade, you may own a property management company again. It's just something I see perhaps in your future. Because again, you'll be at 200 units. It'll be enough to self-run a team. And then you'll because I think Cody Davis, business adventures, all of that will be bigger. I think your name will give you the opportunity to double or triple. That's just a crazy prediction I have for you.
We shall see. I'm just more so than anything, I am excited for the additional profits that should.
Yeah, $200,000, you should be. Damn.
It's a lot of money because I've never lived on that, and I have debts to pay off. Like my alligator deal. Here's the thing: if I took the first $200,000 and threw it at that, it's no longer an alligator. It's an interest-only loan. Even paying the prepayment penalty of 5% in the first year, if I spend $10,000 but I lower my cost of capital because it's almost 7% interest, that would be $1,200 a month less payment because it's not an amortized fixed payment.
Right.
So, I could just kill the alligator.
Yeah. You got to slay that eventually. Absolutely. Yeah.
So Ashley and I are very excited, and I know we're going to learn a lot, but I'm already coordinating the maintenance because
you're doing a lot of it. Yeah.
So no reason to pay them $100-something thousand a year for that.
Well, again, it'll be fun to catch up with you. We talk every, Monday? Yeah. We talk every Monday. And it'll be fun to watch this grow. Again, you officially fire him tomorrow on the 31st. This will be posted Thursday, so there's no risk or overlap. What are your closing thoughts?
Well, I got the idea from talking with you, talking with Matt, talking with Dion. And I wish I got off the fence a little quicker. Mm-hmm. So if someone's in those shoes, like I take too long to make that decision. I would just encourage you to consider doing it sooner because I look over the last year, it cost me 6 figures to not do it.
Yeah. At the end of the day, folks, I think today with more and more tools and apps in your phone, self-management is really an option, especially if it's relatively close. Mark, the financial firefighter, is managing a growing portfolio in Pittsburgh, and he lives in Hawaii. You can't get much farther apart. So Hemlane offers a lot of unique features, building a team on the ground, advertising, syncing with your bank statements. So lots there. Tell Hemlane you came from ORAT, save some money. Cody, you're amazing, man. Take care.
Appreciate it.